Hello techies, we are in lab 4.3.5 and we're going to configure NTFS permissions. So there are two groups of users who access the CompTIA server, marketing and research. Each group has a corresponding folder, d:/marketing data and then d:/research data. So in this lab, your task is to disable permissions, inheritance for d, marketing data and then research data, and then convert the existing permission to explicit permission. And the second task is for each of the above folder, remove the user group from the access control list ACL. And the third task is to add the marketing group to the marketing data folder ACL. And the fourth task is to add the research group to the research data folder ACL. The fifth task is to assign the group full control to their respective folders, and the sixth task is to do not change any other permission assigned to other users or group. All right, so those are the tasks that we are going to be looking at in this lab 4.3.5. all right, so let us go ahead and start lab immediately. And in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and work at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this video by pausing the video occasionally. All right, we are inside the lab, so let's start up right away. The first task, let's just close this, and the first task is to disable permissions. So let's go over to search. I'll go to File Explorer. I'm going to maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly, and we'll go to Data and we'll go to Marketing Data, and we go to Home, and then under Home we go to Properties, click on Security, and then Advanced. Then we disable inheritance and convert inheritance permission to explicit, and then allow users. Then I'm going to click on remove and click on apply. OK. Go to edit, and we are going to add. So what are we adding? Let's see from our tags here. We're supposed to add marketing group to the marketing data folder ACL. All right, so go ahead and type in marketing. Then we check name just to be sure. Okay. And we're going to give this full control and click on apply, then OK. Click on OK, and go to research data, and we'll go to home. Let's go to security, and we click on advanced, disable inheritance for administrator, then convert inherited permission, and select users, remove users, and we'll go ahead and apply. Click OK. And for this, we'll go ahead and we'll go to edit, and we're going to add, what are we adding this time around? We are adding research. Just from here, you can see from the fourth tags, we are to add research group to the research data array. So we just type in research. And we go ahead and check names. Click OK. So we are going to grant this full control. Click on apply. OK. Click on OK. Go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video to be helpful to you in any way, remember to share on other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.